In this video, I'll explain how to use dimensional analysis to convert from one unit to another. I always follow the same 4 steps. First, I start with the measurement on the far left. Then, I show how I'm multiplying by a conversion factor as a fraction. I show how the units in the numerator cancel out with units in the denominator. And then, I give the correct final answer with the units on the far right. This problem asks us to convert 5.46 grams into milligrams. I start by writing 5.46 grams on the far left. Then, I multiply by a conversion factor as a fraction. Since grams is the unit on the far left, I also need to put grams in the denominator of my conversion factor. This is so grams cancels out when we divide grams by grams. Since I wanted to convert into milligrams, that goes in the numerator of the conversion factor. 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So those are the numbers that I put next to milligrams and grams in the conversion factor. 1,000 goes with milligrams, and 1 goes with grams. Anytime something's in the numerator, we multiply. So in this case, I multiply 5.46 by 1,000. Our answer is 5,460 milligrams. Let's try another problem where we convert 0.0184 liters into centimeters cubed. We start by writing 0.0184 liters on the far left. Then we multiply by a conversion factor that has liters in the denominator. This is so that the unit liters crosses out when we divide liters by liters. We want to convert into centimeters cubed, so that unit goes in the numerator. And since 1 liter equals 1,000 centimeters cubed, we put those units into our conversion factor. We multiply 0.0184 by 1,000 because those are both in the numerator. We get 18.4 centimeters cubed as our final answer. In this next problem, we convert 810.5 centimeters into inches. We write the measurement on the far left with the units. We put centimeters in the denominator of our conversion factor so that it cancels out. Inches goes in the numerator because those are the units we want to convert into. Since 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters, we put those units in the conversion factor. 1 goes next to inch, and 2.54 goes next to centimeter. Since 2.54 is in the denominator of our conversion factor, we have to divide 810.5 by 2.54. If something's in the denominator, we always divide. Dividing 810.5 by 2.54 gives 319 centimeters. In this problem, we're asked to convert 0.951 grams into kilograms. We write 0.951 grams on the far left. Then we multiply by a conversion factor that has grams in the denominator and kilograms in the numerator. Grams cancels out, and 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. We divide 0.951 by 1,000, and we get 0.000951 kilograms. For our final problem, we'll convert 245.3 milliliters into liters. As always, we'll write the measurement with the units on the far left. We'll multiply by a conversion factor that has milliliters in the denominator and liters in the numerator. Milliliters crosses out and we're left only with liters as the unit. Since 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, we'll write that in our conversion factor. 1 goes next to liters, and 1,000 goes next to milliliters. We divide 245.3 by 1,000, and we get 0.2453 liters. And that is how you use dimensional analysis to convert from one unit to another.